Module 5, De-escalating, Introduction. Welcome to Module 5 of Communication with Clients and Families. In this module, we will focus on how to interact with clients or family members who are angry and upset in a way that de-escalates conflict rather than provokes conflict. This module has 5 sections. The first section is the introduction, which includes this overview as well as an opportunity to review vocabulary that you will encounter in the module. The second section is a communication focus. In this module, you will watch a number of videos to learn how to respond to angry people in a way that de-escalates rather than escalates their anger. After a number of formative activities, you will demonstrate that you have learned what you have learned in a summative quiz. The third section includes a special needs population focus. In this module, you will review the LEAP approach to communicating with someone with a mental illness. As well, you will learn strategies for corresponding to aggressive or abusive clients. In the essential skills section, you will estimate time and amounts to solve scheduling and ordering problems. In the last section, role plays, you will apply what you have learned as you role play interacting with angry clients and family members. In this module, you will complete a number of formative activities. You will try out and practice what you learn and use checklists and self-assessment questions to evaluate your own performance. You will complete one summative quiz and you will make one portfolio contribution. By the end of this module, you should be able to do the following: interact with clients and family members in a way that conveys warmth, care, patience, empathy, interest, and active listening. Identify and apply communication strategies to de-escalate frustration and anger. Use appropriate nonverbal strategies when interacting with upset and angry people. Use appropriate language and intonation to ask and probe, demonstrate listening, paraphrase, emphasize, apologize, offer help or information, and describe next steps. Communicate in a way that ensures client dignity, promotes client independence, and respects client preferences. Identify strategies to stay safe when interacting with people who may be aggressive or have potential for violence. And finally, you will estimate amounts and times to solve problems and plan schedules. This module will take 6 to 7 hours, but the exact amount of time will vary depending on how much time you spend practicing. Get started on Module 5, De-escalating, by reviewing the vocabulary in the Quizlet on the next page.